I lost about 25 kilos back in 2008. And for the last 17 years, I've maintained my body weight while improving my body composition, fitness, and health. Here are 5 things that made it possible. Number 1, strength training. It was an absolute game changer. Now, I lost most of my weight by doing cardio and restricted eating. Basically, move more, eat less kind of stuff. I lost weight and I became skinny, yes, but I was also weak and flabby. But once I added strength training, things started changing. I started building muscle, my basal metabolic rate went up, I could eat more food. As a result, I ate more good food, more protein, more vegetables. I started feeling stronger, my body composition, my fitness, my health, everything started improving. Number 2, walking. Irrespective of what was going on in my life, irrespective of what life stage I was on, I made sure I walked every day. On an average, 10 to 15,000 steps on a daily basis. Sometimes it was more, sometimes it was less, but the average always applied. Doesn't seem like much, but check it out. By walking 10 to 15,000 steps every day, per year, I walked about 4 million steps. And in 17 years, I walked more than 50 million steps, which is significant. Number 3, vegetables. The greatest calorie restriction hack there is. Yes, vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber and help improve your health, but vegetables are also filling. And once I built that vegetable eating habit, I started eating a lot of vegetables in pretty much every meal, and that made sure I did not overeat as much or as often. Number 4, nothing extreme, just smart eating. That means I didn't go on diets. I didn't try to do anything crazy. Instead, I doubled down on the basics. More protein and vegetables, less starch, sugars, and fat, embracing hunger, being patient, being mindful, the kind of stuff that I coach. I tried and did this consistently as often as I can, and I can tell you today that it has played a significant role in my progress. And finally, number 5, I prioritize sleep. Life has changed a lot for me over the last 2 decades, as I'm sure it has for you. But at every stage, I try to prioritize sleep. It is still a work in progress and it always will be, but making sure I slept enough made a big difference, because when I don't sleep enough, I feel tired. I feel less motivated to go and exercise and push myself or even be active. I also find it hard to make smart decisions with respect to food. But by sleeping well on most days, about 90 to 95% of the days, I wake up feeling fresh. I wake up feeling alert, as a result of which I'm able to do all the other things that I just spoke about. Now, as you can see, none of this is amazing or groundbreaking. It's just simple stuff done over a long period of time, but that's the point. If I can do it, if a million others can do it, you too can most definitely do it. All the best.